this seawall that we built, we're going to extend this return wall up, little retainer wall all the way across to the front of the property because we got such a slope on this property here, trying to level the property up. We'll also be going with a French drain system on the back side of it. We'll go ahead and dig down a little bit so I ain't got to drive the sheets down so much. And we're going with 8-foot vinyl and 10-foot pilings. We'll probably only have like 2 to 2.5 foot exposed. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Silly boy. Gatlin. You gotta get in a truck. Hey.
Out of the way.
You want to go ahead and get it out of the way? Because we got to get it out of the way for the vinyl.
Alright.
Good job, John.
Yep.
Got that root out there.
Team effort.
Team effort?
Yeah.
Everybody watched you?
No, Mike came in and helped dig it out, and he massaged my back and my shoulders for me.
Oh, that's good. Hey guys, thanks for checking my page out. This is a pretty cool retainer wall we're doing right here. This is a previous wall I did probably 3 or 4 videos ago. We did a seawall along the shoreline. And now we're doing a retainer wall up the property line here because the property slopes so much. So we're getting everything installed now. It's going to be a vinyl seawall with a nice French drain installed on the back side of it. Got Scout on the job. Hey, Scout. Good boy. Chief. Chief.
Especially from this side.
Well, we want both sides to look great.
Yeah.
While we're working on this return wall project, the neighbor wants to come over there and tighten his dock up a little bit, installing new piling caps on it, get some of the poles leveled up that were not cut evenly, and change out a couple of the rotten stringers that are underneath it. Guys did a little extra landscaping on this job for the neighbor. Looks really good. Got some jasmine growing up on there, or going to be growing up on there, on top of this heavy duty lattice. We actually built the lattice ourselves. Hey y'all, if you hadn't hit the subscribe button or the like button, please do so if you like the channel. And if you don't mind, share it. I appreciate that. It really helps my YouTube channel grow. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Got any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them, and I'll try to get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks.